Cybertron Warriors.
Allô tout le monde, ici John aka Cybertron Warriors et nous voici de retour pour une nouvelle découverte des Transformers de la génération 1. Continuons sur la lancée des Lamborghini Countach LP500S. Cette fois, ce sera le tour de notre directeur de la sécurité des Autobots en pleine mission pour une urgence quelque part dans la ville, accompagné bien sûr de son partenaire. Voici le seul et unique Red Alert. Notre camarade est paranoïaque. Évidemment, c'est un trait que tous les directeurs de la sécurité ont, en autant que c'est contrôlé par la raison, la logique et le bon sens, bien sûr. Red Alert, malheureusement, n'est pas toujours aussi bon avec ses autres traits. Les Autobots apprécient son souci du détail et son dévouement dévoué à la sécurité, mais son rapport entre fausses alarmes et urgences réelles laisse un peu à désirer. Et grâce à l'effet robot qui criait au loup, en référence au conte du garçon qui criait au loup, cela les rend moins susceptibles de le prendre au sérieux lorsque ces capteurs détectent une menace réelle. Red Alert, alerte rouge en français, est un ami proche d'Inferno malgré leur personnalité polarisée mêlant huile et vinaigre. Incidemment, les deux Autobots se sentent obligés de garder l'autre à l'écart des ennuis et cette préoccupation les fusionne en un duo raisonnablement efficace. Alerte rouge a aidé Inferno lorsque les Dinobots ont accidentellement mis le feu au quartier général des Autobots, comme nous allons le voir dans l'épisode L'île des Dinobots, partie 1.
Oh no! They're heading toward Teletran 1!
We gotta stop them before they total everything!
Teletran 1!
The Dinobot Demolition Derby is now closed.
Are you ready, Inferno? Ready, ready, Red Alert! I'm always ready for action! Gangway, don't interfere! Time for repairs, I guess.
Lui et Inferno ont ensuite été Prowl et Jazz encerclés et attrapés des voleurs de chevaux qui ont été transportés dans le futur par une distorsion temporelle, appelée aussi perturbation chronologique, ce qui veut dire que c'est un phénomène créé de manière naturelle ou artificielle qui permet de voyager dans le temps. Dans l'épisode L'île des Dinobots, partie 2.
Come on, let's whoop these that-burned tenderfeet! Okay, let's straighten out this mess.
Talking horseless carriages, what's next?
Disarmament, acid pellet style. Next, how about number 1 on the bottom 40?
This trail's spooked, boys! Mount up! We're riding!
Now in this direction, boys, don't you dare! Pitch in, Inferno! Or do you want me to do it all by myself?
Let me put out their fire for good.
Un troisième exemple en des aventures de Red Alert, et peut-être le plus connu de toutes. Les Autobots testaient la puissante super arme en Nevagator qu'ils avaient construite en coopération avec l'armée américaine lorsque les Decepticons ont attaqué avec l'intention de voler l'arme.
Éjection, Rumble, Frenzy, Ravage, Bosso, Opération, Destruction des Autobots, maintenant.
Optimus Prime a ordonné à Red Alert et Inferno de rester à l'intérieur et de garder le bunker, pendant que le reste des Autobots se battait contre les Decepticons. Inferno s'irrita pour combattre les Decepticons et laissa Red seul malgré les appels de ce dernier pour qu'il reste. Pendant la bataille, les attaques des Decepticons ont provoqué le feu et l'endommagement du bunker, à la grande consternation de Grappler, un camarade d'Autobo, frappant Red Alert sur la tête et l'enterrant sous les décombres. Réalisant ce qui s'est passé, Inferno et les autres Autobots sont revenus pour sauver Red. Malheureusement, le coup à la tête a endommagé les circuits logiques de Red, le rendant plus paranoïaque que d'habitude, et l'a amené à fuir les autres Autobots de peur qu'ils le démontent et l'utilisent pour des pièces de rechange. Il est également devenu complètement convaincu que son ami Inferno était après son travail, et il a donc échappé aux Autobots. Les dégâts de Red Alert étaient tels que s'ils n'étaient pas traités, ces circuits finiraient par exploser, et les Autobots sont donc immédiatement partis pour le trouver. Pendant ce temps, Starscream, qui avait été abandonné par les Decepticons sur le champ de bataille, sur ordre de Megatron, a été témoin de cela. Il décida d'utiliser la paranoïa de Red à son avantage, en prétendant former un partenariat avec l'Autobo, nourrissant son état paranoïaque, l'encourageant à voler le Nevagator et à l'utiliser pour détruire à la fois les Autobots et les Decepticons. Avec la connaissance de Red Alert, le couple s'est infiltré dans le bunker et a volé le Nevagator, juste à temps pour que Megatron saisisse l'arme et que Starscream révèle ses véritables manières lâches. Mais fort heureusement, Inferno a sauvé Red Alert de lui-même et de ses soi-disant alliés Decepticons dans l'épisode Auto Berserk.
Activate. Negavator works.
And very well, too, if I do say so myself.
Satisfied, gentlemen?
Absolutely. We'll report the test results at once.
Don't forget your tape recorder.
Great job, Wheeljack.
You're a genius.
Just don't point that thing at anything I built.
I don't know. We've had super weapons before, and Megatron's still around. Decepticons, prepare for attack. What the? Move it! Red Alert, guard the bunker. Autobots, transform! Not so fast, Inferno. I need backup.
Oh, not again! I want to fight!
We can't let Megatron get the Negavator. Eject, Rumble, Frenzy, Ravage, Bazaar, Destroy Autobots.
With pleasure! We'll turn that bunker into a burial mound!
Autobots, transform! It takes more than that to stop Autobots! The heat will cook our databanks!
My beautiful bunker's rubble!
And Soundwave's got a clean run at the Negavator!
Not necessarily. Red Alert, come in. Objective accomplished. Come on, Soundwave. Make my day. Those guys could use a hand up there. Stay here, Inferno. We'll dig our way out, Optimus.
Someday I want to build something that doesn't get trashed.
Capture the Negavator. Autobots, transform and attack. This'll teach you to bomb my buildings. get a good shot. Optimus is in the way. I'll go to help him. No, stay and guard the bunker.
Eliminate resistance.
I'm trying, Soundwave. Have been one for me, Frenzy. Now let's see what this baby can really do. Wait, not yet.
That put out your fire, all rumble. Here we are. And there they go.
Decepticons have retreated.
Without leaving them a little going away present.
Inferno, is that? Oh, Inferno, help me. Inferno! Grapple is going to blow a fuse when he sees this. Inferno! Where are you? It's Red Alert. Hang on, Red. Take it easy. Wait till I get my hands on Inferno. Oh, don't overcharge. It wasn't his fault. Red, you're okay. I was worried about you. If you'd stayed where you were supposed to, you could have spared yourself the concern. Huh? Oh, you know, Red. He's like that. I'll put it to you straight, Optimus. Inferno betrayed me.
He acted bravely to save the Megavator, Red. Nothing more.
Why can't anyone see it? Inferno wants my job.
You better let Hoist check you out. Then get some rest.
I'm fine. It's just an electro glitch that comes and goes.
All right, Red. But get ready to return to Autobot headquarters. It's too dangerous to remain here.
Too dangerous, huh? Now Optimus wants me out of the way, too. It's a plot.
Autobots, transform! You too, Red. Let's go!
You incompetent fools! I must have the Megavator!
Allow me, Megatron. I shall succeed where others have failed.
You clumsy oaf!
Red Alert! Analyze that noise.
Noise? What noise? All clear.
Crush them!
Avalanche! Transform!
The Transformers will return after these messages. We now return to the Transformers.
Decepticons! Attack!
We have to save Optimus and Ironhide!
The Megavator is mine!
He can't steal what he can't see.
You have to do better than that!
The smoke is sticking to us. I can't see.
Stop whining and use your radar!
Yeah, go ahead and try.
Hey, my circuit's electric flew just out to mine. I'm blind flying.
Away, move before collide we. It's clearing. I can see.
If I crash, I take an Autobot with me. Quickly, the Negavator.
You're too late, Prime. Next stop, Oblivion. I've got morons on my team.
What about Starscream?
Leave him. We have more important things to worry about.
It'll take days to clear this rock pile. Red Alert. Why didn't you warn us? You want to get rid of me, just like the others do.
You're more damaged than I thought.
There's nothing wrong with me.
Red Alert needs a complete overhaul.
Your logic and reason circuits are fried. You need immediate repairs. Don't give me any of that. You just want to disassemble me for spare parts. Never. I won't let you. Wait! We're your friends.
Quickly, we must rescue him before he makes his condition worse.
Megatron will regret abandoning me.
Red, come back. You need help.
Oh, come on, Red, old buddy.
Where could he be hiding?
There. Catch him!
Hurry! Oh no! I see him!
Come on, Red. We'll take care of you. What's the matter? Can't you transform?
Hey, that's my car! Put it back where you found it!
Oh, sorry, Chief. It looked like a friend of mine.
No two ways about it. I gotta take that vacation.
He gave us the slip.
For his sake, I just hope we find him.
Red Alert! You can hide in here.
It's you!
The Transformers will return after these messages. We now return to the Transformers.
Starscream!
Quiet, or we'll both be caught.
You are the enemy!
Am I? I could have blasted you in the back. We need each other.
I'll never join the Decepticons!
So, who's asking you to?
Oh, we can't search endlessly. We must take the Negavator back to the bunker.
But Red's circuits will explode if we don't repair him soon.
We have no choice. Our energy level's too low to withstand another attack out here.
I know exactly how you feel. Megatron and the other Decepticons envy my superiority too.
That's why Megatron left you behind?
Yes, he's afraid I'd make a better leader.
Make Maybe that's why the Autobots were jealous of me.
If we had control of the Negavator, Optimus and Megatron would be forced to admit our superiority.
That would show Inferno and the others I'm just as good as they are.
Better!
I would be in charge. Me!
Of course, Red, you would be supreme!
I'll feel safer when the Negavator's on level 9. Hurry, Hoist.
At this rate?
This will speed us up.
Perfect. How did you know about it?
As security director, I know all the secret entrances. Prime should have considered that before he betrayed me.
Yes, he should have.
So, Starscream is engaged in some private enterprise with an Autobot. Just give the order. Megatron and I'll weld that traitor to the wall.
You so brave now. Too bad your courage does not hold up under fire.
Silence! We'll let them do the dirty work. Then we'll seize the reward.
Don't worry, Optimus. If Red Alert is out there, I'll find him.
I just hope we find him before his circuits explode.
You can do it. Good luck.
All clear. Follow me. Quickly, before the tunnel drone gets here.
The what?
The tunnel drone is unstoppable. Not even I can deactivate it. If we don't get out of here fast, we'll be atomized.
I don't want to die!
No! The alarms!
I'll worry about them later!
Intruders on level 9? No way. We can't risk it. Let's go.
They changed the combination. They never trusted me.
I don't blame them. Now we'll never get it out.
Yes, we will.
Decepticons, stand aside, Red, old buddy. You're safe now. And Starscream is dust.
Not so fast. Starscream's my partner.
Red, you need help.
Let me fix you. Get back. I know just how you want to fix me.
You heard him. Now, move away from the elevator.
We can't let you take the Negavator, Red Alert.
Blast them while you have the chance!
There was a warning! Stay away!
Now, Red, I know you. You won't fire at me.
But I will!
Megatron!
Very good, Starscream. You remembered who I am. Your leader.
You misunderstand. I was just...
You were just about to deliver the Negavator to me, correct?
Yes, of course.
No! It is mine!
happening? Don't interfere, Prime.
Red alert's going to explode.
Freeze!
My logic chips. What's happening?
What's happening is that you are going to test the Negavator on the Autobots.
Or we'll use it on you, partner.
He's not really gonna do it. I'm not sure, but I think Starscream's null ray stabilized his circuits for the moment.
Hey, he's messing with the controls!
The Negavator is set to self-destruct.
You're bluffing, Autobot.
Can we afford to take that chance?
Now, Autobots!
Forget it. The Negavator's going to blow. One day, Prime!
Save the oration!
Take cover! Where's Red? It's gonna be a pool of molten metal if we don't get him out. It's too dangerous. I'll go. No, this job has my name on it. Red, can you hear me? Hold on, Red! I'm coming! Inferno, save yourself. I don't deserve to be an Autobot. Thanks. What are friends for, Red? Should have gone myself. Hey, look! Red, you're safe. And feeling better, Optimus. Sorry about... No. It was my insistence on testing the Negavator that started our problems. We're just glad to have you back. Both you and Inferno have shown great bravery today. With friends like these, real friends, it's easy to be brave.
The Transformers will return after these messages.
Soundwave, opération découverte terminée, processus de remerciement enclenché. Félicitations, jusqu'à la fin, vous êtes restés. Laissez un pouce bleu si vous avez aimé et n'oubliez surtout pas de partager la vidéo. Cybertron Warriors et moi, on vous donne rendez-vous pour une prochaine fois. Cybertron Warriors!